So doing some intake gasket repair. Just wanted to show we already broke down the engine, the intake, valve covers, and we used some GM cleaner. I'll show you what we use here. Okay, so we use some GM upper engine cleaner to clean all this oils and stuff out. Let it sit overnight, and it cleans really good. Some good stuff. It's hard to find, but a little expensive. But I used about probably 3 cans or 2.5 cans. I have still a little left, so I'm gonna spray it a little bit again. And so the intake gasket failed, and we decided to a little bit. This is the port for the water, so it failed here. It's all cleaned now, but we cleaned that up, and so the water started coming out here and here. So a little bit of water did get into the oil. Antifreeze got into the oil, but it ended up not being the head gasket, which is a plus. But just to show you, I had to break down so much to get to it. So there you go. Well, bits and pieces of putting it back together. So I'll continue this in a minute.